Welcome back to my channel. I'm just giving you a small insight of how you can use an old phone case. So this piece is perfect just to conceal the items that you might want to take with you when you're going to the restroom, on a work lunch break, or just when you're in the office or even on a date. You can conceal these things and just spruce yourself up with them. So I've got inside a lipstick, a perfume, some fresh strips for your breath, and also a sanitary item. This version of the pouch just features what you would need just to duck down to get a coffee or a loaf of bread or something that you just need to duck out and go. If someone's home with you at the time and stays back, you don't need your house keys and you can simply just bring these things with you. So I have a lipstick, a perfume, fresh breath strips, and a card. This has got to be my favourite way of using this pouch. So this is why I initially bought this. It was secondhand. I grabbed it off a lady on eBay, which I got it for a steal. It was awesome. It is a small planner pouch, so you can fit your stickers, your pen, any washi tape samples that you might have, and you can just simply bring this along in the bag that you're carrying with your planner, or you can also bring this along just on the front dashboard and clipped in when you're out and about. The way I use this pouch is just to hold the old phone. So how I would have used it is holding the iPhone 5 and some business cards as well, just when you're meeting a client or ducking down to grab a coffee with your colleague, or just simply going out on an errand at work during work hours. So this is perfect for that, and also just perfect just to hold your phone in place and not get it scratched up inside your handbag. So the way I have this set out is purely just for job interviews or running errands. You could replace the business cards I have inside with a photo ID and a credit card if you would. There's a house key that just slips in there. There's your lipstick, your perfume, your mirror, and your Listerine, just as a carry-all. It is just a tech case for your headphones or earbuds, and a slim or small charging cable can also fit in here.